Hi there, and welcome to Beyond Clean, your go-to spot for better cleaning. My name is Dale Rawlick, and in this series, we're going to walk you through simple tips of our most popular pieces of equipment. Whether you're unboxing, assembling, or you're ready to hit the floors, we've got you covered. Now we're going to dive into today's episode of Beyond Clean. Part of the Beyond Clean is unpacking the Ultra 45. Taking the handle straight up. The machine weighs 33 pounds, so it's fairly easy to pick straight up. The battery is in the machine with a piece of foam protecting the battery from fully engaging during transportation. Just simply removing the battery, removing the foam. Now you can simply place the battery back into position. The hose connection is already attached. The handle connection, simply locking it into place. The brushes on the machine are here. The charging component, the charger, the squeegee. There is no tools required to put the piece of equipment together. Everything is fully assembled. The only thing to do is place the squeegee on by opening these tabs that are free spinning to go onto the machine. Line this up, put this on, connect the squeegee component, connect the hose, place the hose onto the squeegee, lifting the squeegee up. To install the brushes, simply take the brush. It's got a notch for the fittings on the one side, the threads for the gearbox on the other. Sliding this into position, lining up the teeth on the side, pushing the brushes in. The top solution tank is also on the machine, placed on, and the machine is ready to go.